So this was all about finite element analysis that we have discussed earlier. Now let's explore Abaqus software. What is Abaqus? Abaqus is a software suite for finite element analysis and computer-aided engineering. It offers a powerful and complete solutions for both routine as well as sophisticated engineering problems. Thus, it covers a vast spectrum of industrial applications. Nowadays, many best-in-class companies they are taking advantage of Abaqus software so as to consolidate their processes and tools, reduce costs and inefficiencies, and gain a competitive advantage. Now coming to some of the extraordinary features of Abaqus software. Let's find out in detail. Firstly, Abaqus software is known to provide the advanced analysis, which not only include the linear analysis capabilities, but Abaqus software offers models for a wide range of nonlinear material behaviors. Nowadays, many industrial applications involve the interaction of multiple physical phenomena, and to address these applications, Abaqus provides robust multiphysics capabilities like we have thermal stress, thermal electrical, low-frequency electromagnetics, and whatnot. The Abaqus product, it provides an extensive library of material models that can be used to simulate the realistic behavior of traditional engineering materials, such as we have metals, rubbers, powdered metals, soils. Abaqus has a capability of handling complex assemblies like carrying out the analysis of a multibody dynamic, their controls, and joint behavior. Also, the reduced analysis time provided by Abaqus enables the examination of multiple and more detailed design scenarios. Moreover, the best-in-class visualization capabilities in Abaqus helps users to interpret and communicate model data and analysis results. Very large, complex models can be visualized using a wide range of options, including we have contour paths, we have XY plots, ply-stack plots. In addition, results in specific regions can also be evaluated using display groups, view cuts, free body display. Lastly, Abaqus provides comprehensive contact modeling capabilities, which include the ability to model interactions between deformable bodies, rigid bodies, and self-contact.